Hello everyone, we are at Bournemouth University now and we are going to show you the Talbot campus. Come with me. So behind me is the main reception and here we have the hub where you can pop in and ask any questions about your study at BU. And next to that we have career zone. This is very relaxed area where you can speak to the staff and then get information on various jobs opportunities.
Poole House also features Starbucks, the beautiful art gallery. We also have the Union Shop. You can come here for all your necessities. Additionally, you can also be employed as a student to work here. The Lands Bar is situated here in Poole House. Beautiful place you can come in to relax. You can also buy meal to eat and have your drink as well. Here is BU Letting. BU Letting manages properties of BU. However, there's another important role that BU Letting plays. When you're not in BU managed property, you find out that you might have issues with your landlord or your letting agency. Come to them. There will always be an interface between you and your landlord.
Cambridge houses many lecture theatres and seminar spaces, all with the state-of-the-art audio-visual technology. Both undergraduate and postgraduate students may find themselves attending lectures and seminars in this building. This is the Student Centre, the home of a student union. Let's go check it out. The Student Centre provides free advice service, enhance your skills and employability level. It also supports you making friends and join clubs and societies. The Student Union is also the home for Nov Radio. The university students run radio station.
Right next to Subu, we have SportBU, which is open from early till late. So don't worry, you will never miss that workout. SportBU includes amazing facilities, including sports hall, spin room, a full gym. We have competitive and social sports teams. If you are in a competitive sports team, everything here is included. If you are not in a competitive sports team, you can also use these facilities. You just need to get a membership, which is actually really affordable.
Student Union is not only a great place to socialize and study, but if you need more resource, there's a library here.
Hiya! Let's go to see the library with me. In this library, you can choose from tens of thousands books and e-journal titles. The large building includes all of the facilities and departments, such as learning support, silent study areas, group workspaces, or high-tech device. I spend a lot of time doing my assignments and group work here.
This is the Weymouth House. In this building, students have their own dedicated newsroom for preparing and broadcasting news content. Previous students who worked in this building have gone to work on films such as Monster Inc., Avatar, and Oscar-winning film Gravity.
This building includes a new professional engagement suite for students to pitch their ideas to industry professionals.
So this is Fusion Building. In this building, we have restaurant, cafe, seminar rooms, and lecture theaters. I spend a lot of my time in here studying, catching up with my friends, and meeting lecturers. The Fusion Building is one of our most environmentally sustainable buildings to date, continuing our efforts to improve the local environment.
This is a Faith and Reflection Center in Talbot House. This space is welcoming for everyone, whether it be prayer or lending an ear or faith and reflection. Even here, there's a global cafe held every week for all international students to meet and greet. In this building, we have the Student Medical Centre as well.
This is Christchurch House, the home of science and technology facilities. The faculty offers courses in areas such as conservation ecology, environmental science, archaeology, anthropology, forensic science, and biological science.
Poole Gateway Building, the home of media and communication. Let's explore it. The building includes the latest professional level facilities featuring 2 multi-camera TV studios, a film studio and soundstage, AD suites, green screen, motion capture studios for animation and so much more.
Each campus is very close to each other. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to go from one campus to another. Buses go very often, every 5 to 10 minutes. Annual bus pass is very affordable. You can get it with a student discount. Buses also go to Poole, Lansdowne, and even the beach if you want to go after lectures.